Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So even though it's Supreme's off season, I still got another one for you guys. So I just recalled that I bought this pair of sneaker back in spring summer 17 when Nike and Supreme had a collab. So let's take a look at it today. First of all, on the box, you have box logo on both sides. At the bottom, there's nothing. And here, the box style is pretty much the same as Jordan 11, which is like a drawer style. I really like that kind of boxes. I wish that all the Jordans are made like that, but they don't, sadly. So first thing first, I'm not gonna look into the shoes first. I'm gonna look at something else. If you've been on this channel long enough, you know that I really love those little details, small little things. I really dig that. So look at this. It says Nike and Supreme on the shoe paper. I don't know if that's how you call it, wrapping paper, shoe paper, but I really like that. That's a little detail. That's the first thing you see when you open the box. So kudos to Nike, kudos to Supreme. All right, now let's take a look at the shoes. If you're familiar with the Uptempo, they used to have like air words, big words on the sides of both sides of the shoes. So now with this collab, they replaced both air words with Supreme all around. That's a crazy idea. It sounds simple, but they executed it very nicely. And all those little lines are 3M, like you see in the picture. When you have a flash on it, it just flashes. It just pops in your face. It is super nice. And in the front, you have the Nike logo embroidered. The embroidery was done very nicely, good quality. And in the bottom, you have the air unit. It's white air on my gold pair from heel all the way to the toe, and the craftsmanship was all right. You see there's a little bit of glue marks, but I could live with that. It's not the end of the world. You have Nike logo both sides of the heel, and at the bottom of the shoe you have a little bubble there. I'm not sure if I pop it and the air will be finished. Well, I'm not gonna do that anyways. Now moving on, let's take a look at the shoe tree. It's a little flimsy. It's the regular one with Nike embossed, and you have M here. I guess it stands for medium. Like you can see, it's a little beat up already. Now let me try to pull out the insole for you guys. It's a little sticky. All right, so here you have the Supreme box logo and Nike air printed on it. I'm sure it's gonna go away after 1 or 2 wear. And in the bottom of it, you have those glue marks. It's all in horizontal line, not in diagonal like Jordans. And now you have the sizing 10.5 to 11.5. These are off the lights insoles. They're pretty thick, and inside of the shoe there's nothing else special. My size tag is 10.5. That's my size. And moving on to the front, you have 3 big elastic where they have the shoelaces. I'm not sure if the original Uptempo has that. I'm not familiar with the Uptempo itself. And on the tongue, you have another Nike logo in red embroidered. Super nice, super good quality as well. And here's the last little details that I was super happy they did that. Let me show it to you guys. I have to line it up nicely. Look at this. World famous. Yes, Supreme world famous. I really like the way they put that detail into such a tiny piece. I just love that. Can't help. And now look at the right side. It's basically the same thing, Supreme all around, but one thing to note, you do have the same wordings outside. Like you have SUP on the outside of your left shoe and EME on the right side, on the outside of your right shoe, and you have the R at the back. So if someone walks around you, they'll be able to see Supreme from one side all the way to the other, if someone walks around you and look at your shoes at the same time. And in terms of the shoelaces, it's the same thing. They use world famous. They didn't do anything different. Left and right, and under the shoe is the same. It's a mirror effect on the Nike logo. And that's about it. One last thing. Someone asked me like if there's something special care I do on my shoes. I use these IKEA shoe trees to replace the cheap cardboard ones. It's not super expensive. It's not super nice either. It's like $1 or $2 per pair, but it does help a little bit on keeping the shoe shape And some shoes like Prime Knit or Fly Knits or those Easy, they're super tight. This helps stretch it a tiny bit more. So that's why I never use those cardboard shoe trees. Usually I just throw away or I put them back in the box in case I need to resell something. Alright guys, that's it for this week. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you bought this shoe, please do tell me which colorway you got, whether you went for the gold or the red or the black. And at last, if you are not subscribed already, please subscribe. And until next time guys, bye bye.